Hello and welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be reviewing the Bearded Pup. I'm going to be talking about all the products that I unboxed in one of my previous videos, and I'll put that in a card up here for you guys. So we're going to talk about the price of these products, what they did for my beard, and whether or not I like the scent. So I want to start off with the beard oil. So the beard oil that I chose to purchase was the Home Wrecker. And this is very much a cologne type scent. Now I believe in the unboxing, I said it kind of reminded me of Acqua di Gio. If you've ever used that cologne, I think it's by Armani. I used to wear it a lot when I was younger. And this just really brings back those kind of memories for me. And it really is a really good, I mean, if you've smelled Acqua di Gio, I mean, I guess everyone knows it's a little bit different, but if you've smelled Acqua di Gio before, like it really is a great smelling cologne, and that's what this reminds me of. So this is definitely something that I would purchase again. It is a medium weight oil, and it does have really good hydrating qualities. It kept my beard pretty soft, you know, in combination with all the other products I purchased, of course, as well. So this one goes for $18 on their website. If you're looking for a really nice cologne type scent, then this is what you would want to go with. I also got the Home Wrecker Balm, which is the same scent. I just find that, just like with a lot of the time with the balms, they're not as strong as their oil counterpart. But you can see over the week here, I did use a fair amount. Got a nice little smiley face there for you guys. And this stuff is like, it just comes out like super easy. I know I did it in the unboxing, but like it just, there's no struggle to get this out. It does have a nice medium hold to it, and it smells great. It smells just like the oil, but not quite as strong. I find that with the oil and balm during the day, the scent lasts for about 4 to 6 hours, which is pretty good. And then at night, I put in the beard butter. For the butter, I got the Suit and Tie, and I really don't know how to describe the scent of the Suit and Tie. What I really liked about this butter is the consistency. It just like most butters, it comes out of the tin really easily. You can see here that it comes out super easy. I haven't put any of this in yet, so I'm going to put a little bit in now. One thing that I really liked about this butter is not only does it almost instantly soften my beard, I also found that it actually has a pretty darn good hold for a beard butter as well. So this could very well be something that you use during the day if you want a little bit of hold. You're starting to get into the butters, you're really liking the butters, and maybe you want to skip out on the balm or something. Then this would be a really good beard butter to start with, because it does have that really good hold. It does have really nice scent, and it does have really great softening qualities for your beard. So this product goes for $14 on their website. I think I did forget to mention the price of the balm. So if you're looking for the balm is also $18. Now the next product that I tried is their beard wash, and this is in the Waterfall scent. I don't know if you've ever used this cologne, but it smells just like I can't remember the brand, but it was called Cool Water. It was another one of those colognes that I used when I was in my teenage years, and I really liked it. It's just a very fresh spring scent. Definitely something that you would enjoy in the shower. Now the consistency of this is very watery even after shaking it up, but what I did find is it still lathers really well. It still cleans out the beard of all its oils and balms and things like that you put in recently very nicely. And it's not a full stripping wash either, so it's more of like a cleansing, softening kind of beard wash. I've learned a lot about beard washes recently. I know a lot of us like these like thicker beard washes where it doesn't feel so runny in your hands and kind of just like all falls out and you don't get any in the beard by the time you put your hand to your beard. But what I've learned was a lot of the time, these thickening agents actually take away from the qualities that you want in a beard wash, which is, proper cleansing, proper softening. This isn't the first company that I've used a beard wash where the beard wash is a little bit more runny. So just know that if you get a runny beard wash, as long as your beard feels good afterwards, as long as it's cleansed, it doesn't mean that it's a bad product. It just, sometimes these thickening agents are not what you want in these products. Now, if I remember correctly, this beard wash goes for $15. They do have other beard washes that go for $10 on their website if you want to try out something for a little bit less. But if you like that kind of cool water scent that I mentioned before, then this is definitely something that's worth it. It's a 4-ounce bottle, guys. we wash our beards with product once or twice a week. This is going to last you for several months, so $15 is very much worth it. The final product that I decided to go with here with the Bearded Pup is actually their deodorant. And I've been looking for an all natural deodorant for a while now, and so this is actually how I came upon the Bearded Pup. Is I made a post on Instagram asking if people know of any beard care companies that also do deodorant, so that I can try out that deodorant and all their other products as well. And so this deodorant is quite expensive compared to department store deodorant. It is $12, but it is also all natural. And the reason why I wanted to go all natural is because I just find that with the department store deodorants in particular, I end up I can't use them for a really long time. Usually I'll buy a brand or a certain scent or something, or even odorless, and usually within 3 to 6 weeks I start getting a lot of irritation in my armpits. Just the skin gets really red and itchy, and then I have to move to a different product, and then I'm good again for several weeks. So I'm very interested to see if this all natural product, if the same thing will happen, or if it's just gonna be awesome for me and I'm not gonna get that irritation anymore. So maybe I'll do a follow-up video on that, or just like an Instagram post or something. If you're not following me on Instagram, you can follow me at instagram.com/beardyblogger. I'll toss that up over here somewhere. And if you guys are into beard care tips and product reviews, I also do some giveaways now and again. I strongly encourage you to subscribe to this channel and hit that notification bell so you can be notified when I upload new videos. If you like this video, hit that thumbs up and leave me a comment. So that's my thoughts on the Bearded Pup. I really think this is a great company, something that's definitely worth purchasing and trying out. I had a really good experience this week with their oil, their balm, their butter, and their wash, and then this deodorant as well. And these scents are just amazing. They have a whole bunch of different scents available on their website that you definitely want to check out and see which ones you would be interested in. Check them out at thebeardedpup.com. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.